Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ayush Singh and today I am going to talk about one of the most popular and important role in the finance industry is finance analysis. If you are interested in finance numbers and data analysis and business decision making, this role can be a great career option for you. In this video, I will be explain the job title, key responsibility, required skills and career prospects of financial analysis. Let's start this video. A financial analysis is a professional who analyze financial data to help business make better decisions. Their main job is to study company performance, financial statement, market trends, and growth economic growth condition. Based on their analysis, they provide insights and recommendation to management, investors, and or clients. So, financial analysts work in bank, investment firms, corporate office, insurance companies, and consulting firms. Their analysis help organization plan, budget, making investment, control cost, and improve profitability. So, these are the about the financial analysis. Now let's go to the what is the role and responsibility. So, analyzing the financial statements such as a balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statements, preparing financial report, forecast, and budget, study, studying market trends, industry performance, and competitor analysis, evaluating investment opportunities and risk, supporting management in decision making with data driven and insights, creating financial model using Excel or other tools, monitoring company performance and suggesting improvements. In simple words, a financial analysis convert a raw financial data into a meaningful information. So, this is about the role and responsibility. Now we go for the required skills to become a successful financial analysis. So, skills are essential to become a successful financial analysis. The first is strong analytical and numerical skills, good knowledge of accounting and finance concept, prof, pro in Excel and finance modeling, basic understanding of tools like Power BI, SQL, or Python in added advantage, attention to detail, problem solving, and ability, strong communication skill, plan a complex data clear, business understanding, and logical thinking. Now, some added certificates like CFA, FRM, or CA also add a great value to this role. Now, come to the career prospectus for financial analysis are excellent. With experience, you can grow into a role such as senior financial analyst, finance manager, investment analysis, or chief financial officer. Financial analysis are in demand across industry like bank, IT, manufacturing startups, and consulting firms. The salary growth is strong and international opportunities are applicable for skilled professionals. Now I conclude these things. The financial analysis is a high growth, high responsibility role in the financial industry. If you enjoy working with the number analysis and strategic decision making, this role is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching. Let's move on the next video. For this, like, subscribing, and an energy. Let's